Hi, I'm Sean Fawcett from East Coast Yacht Sales. Today I'm on board Seize the Day. Seize the Day is a 4 Winds Vista 338 motor cruiser. She's 35 feet long. She's powered by twin Volvo 5.7 liter gas engines. She has sleeping accommodations for 4, and she's a great boat for day cruising, overnight cruising, or simply entertaining with friends. Let's have a look, shall we?
We board the boat on a large swim platform, including swim ladder. And entering the boat, we are immediately in a very comfortable lounge area with a settee to starboard, which can easily seat 6 people, and a wet bar to port with a sink, plenty of storage, and a Waco refrigerator. What a great place to enjoy a sunset cocktail. Forward of the lounge area is a pilot station with a comfortable settee to port, and the helm station to starboard with flip-up bolster helm seats. All electronics are clearly visible and within easy reach of the helm. Looking from the foredeck, we see that the boat has a complete canvas enclosure with roll-up isinglass sides as well as bug screens. The radar and other electronic antennae are mounted on an arch over the cockpit. Down below, we enter from the helm station into a spacious main salon with a settee to port, and forward of that, a very large, comfortable, sumptuous centerline double berth forward. Aft, on the starboard side, is the galley, which has Korean countertops, a sink, a microwave oven, cook range, and a refrigerator. Opposite the galley to port is a comfortable settee, and further aft, under the cockpit, is another lounge area. This settee and table can be converted into a double berth, so there are sleeping accommodations for 4 people. There's a privacy curtain between the 2 sleeping areas, which will separate the 2 areas into quasi-private cabins. Forward of this aft lounge area, below the companionway, and just aft of the galley, is the wet head. The head also has Korean countertops, stainless steel fixtures, an electric toilet, and a shower. The boat is powered with twin Volvo Penta 5.7 OSXi engines and new Ocean X drives that were installed in 2013. We will cruise easily at 30 knots with a top speed of about 45.
I hope you've enjoyed this brief tour of Seize the Day. If you have any questions or would like more information, please contact me, Sean Fawcett, East Coast Yacht Sales.